welcome to my channel. I'm Soulcoast, and on this channel we talk all things law of attraction, self-development and spirituality. And today I'm going to teach you my number one, the massive best hack there is to manifest money into your life fast. And I have to share this hack because I always tell my clients about this hack and they're like, oh, I never thought about this before. So if you need to manifest money, this is for you. Of course, there are so many law of attraction techniques to manifest money, and all of them are really, really good. And I use loads of different ones myself. But I feel like when it comes to when I need money like instantly, as in within the next, say, 48 hours, I find some of those techniques don't particularly work for me. However, I come across a technique that is brilliant and genius, and for me it always works. And all you need is access to a bank statement or your internet banking. So what you want to do first of all is you want to access your bank account, and there are two ways you can do it. If you want to manifest a certain amount of money, you need to scroll through your bank account to your transactions, and you need to screenshot or capture on your laptop or whatever the image of that amount that came into your bank, okay, with your bank account, and store it. Or you want to just take an image of your bank account in detail, which has got your name, your bank account detail, and so you can edit it. Next, you want to go over to PicMonkey or Canva, or any sort of photo editing software that you have access to. PicMonkey and Canva are free. Get the image up, and you want to erase the number that's in there and put the number that you desire in. So say you need £200 or whatever. Say you already have £200 in your bank account and you need another £200. You're going to put £400 as your balance. The trick is you want to make sure that this looks as genuine and authentic as possible. So you want to make sure that you choose a font that is the original font on your screenshot as possible. Okay, so it looks real. So when you look at it, it looks authentic. And so you want to do that, print it off or keep it on your phone, and then you want to keep looking at it frequently. Okay, how do you feel knowing you've got that money in your bank? That money's in your bank. So what, that bill that you need to pay for, you've got that money in your bank. Okay, it's in there. And you want to look at it over and over again, and you'll be shocked how fast that money comes in. I mean, for me, I've done it in like 24 hours. You know, when I've needed like a small amount of money to pay a bill or something like that in the past. It's genius. You can do whatever amount you want. Maybe you have your own business, or you just want an extra £1,000. Change your bank account details. Say you've already got £200 in there, change your bank account to £1,200 or just £1,000, whatever you choose. And the idea is it tricks your mind because it looks so much like your actual bank account that it tricks your mind and it tricks you into thinking, wow, I've got that money in my bank account. So what happens? It brings all those good vibes and those emotions, and you feel happy and you're like, yes, I have that money, because you're seeing it in your bank. It's what you're looking at, you're seeing it as a screenshot of that money in your bank account. You feel like, I already have it. I already have this. It's in my bank. I'm looking at a screenshot now. And so it will manifest that money to you quicker, because to you, you're putting the vibration out there. Honestly and truly, I already have it. I already see it. I already have it. And sometimes seeing is believing. And so this is a trick. And for me, it has always worked. Now, another way you can do this is you can scroll through your transactions and find the amount of money that is that you seek. So say you got paid, you need £500 and you got paid £500 2 months ago. Find that transaction, again, screenshot it, go into your editing software and just edit the date. Edit all the dates. And sometimes it does take some time to do this, but it's so worth it. If you really need that money, you need it fast and you need it within the next day or two, this technique works the trick. Just make sure that when you do this that you are detaching as well at the same time. So any resistance or that you're having about worrying about money, you've got to put that to one side and detach from it as well. So when you're looking at it, you're feeling those emotions. I've got that money, I'm okay. When you're not looking at that image, get on with your day and detach from it, okay? You don't want to come across the universe as resisting money away and push it away, and you also don't want to become too obsessional as well. So you want to get that right balance. So look at that image a couple of times a day. Say to yourself, I've got this money, everything's fine, take it easy, focus in the present moment, and you'll be surprised how fast that money comes to you in some way, some shape or form. from someone just giving you money, or you get a tax return check in the post or something like that. It would just appear. And I do this all the time. If I need like an extra £50 or I need an extra £100 or something, I always do it. And it works every time. It is my go-to trick. I do it all the time. I've got so many different ones on my phone. My partner thinks I'm absolutely crazy, but I'm like, how much money do you need? Boom, boom, boom. Give it a day or two. It's coming to you. It works. Definitely try it out for yourself. I really hope you liked my instant money manifestation hack. Write down the comment below or DM me on Instagram. Let me know how it works for you. I would absolutely love to hear your stories if you managed to manifest the money you could with my technique. It would make me really happy to know that I have helped some people. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you'd like me to do more content, give me a subscribe to this channel. And I have lots of hacks and tips and tricks. I have tried everything in law of attraction, all the techniques over the years. I'm a very lazy manifester, so if you're lazy at law of attraction like I am, then my channel is definitely for you, okay? It absolutely will be for you. There will be hacks on here that are so much easier for you to do if you're someone that doesn't necessarily practice and do the routines and journaling and stuff every single day, okay? And also, if you're interested, I've got lots of social media down below. I also check out the Spiritual Babe podcast. I've done a podcast where we talk about loads of different ways to manifest money, especially if you're looking at manifesting larger money or a certain income stream. Check out that podcast that I've done with my techniques that are tried and tested and have worked for me and hopefully will work for you. And if you're interested in a psychic reading tool or a law of attraction reading or anything like that, check out my shop on Etsy, which is Soulcoast. And hopefully I can help you out there. So until next time, guys, bye for now.